Welcome to Garden Life, the channel for all of your gardening needs. Learn how to care for them. Plants in the house are a great decoration, but there are several tried and true favorites for beginners. Houseplants can be grown in either very bright light or in moderate light. A houseplant may also require either indirect or direct sunlight. However, these are the most basic requirements. Light. Light that comes in from a window or other source will be bright. A south-facing window will let in the most sunlight. Light that does not directly illuminate an object, such as the sun shining through a window curtain, is called indirect sunlight. Houseplants that require high light should be placed near a south-facing window, where they will receive at least 5 hours of direct sunlight every day. Houseplants need bright, indirect light to thrive, which can be provided by windows and ceiling lights. Low-light houseplants require indirect light but still require illumination and water to thrive. Water. Water houseplants according to the dry to the touch criterion if there is no specific instructions for watering on the tag. Fertilizer. Fertilizing houseplants with water or slow-release fertilizer is effective. A water-soluble fertilizer is added to the plant's water once per month in warmer weather and every 2 months in cooler weather when fertilizing through water. Slow-release fertilizer should be worked into the soil every several months. Temperature. Tropical houseplants need to be kept in temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. How to pick the perfect plants for your home's container gardens. Choose plants that appeal to your style and reflect how much time you're willing to put into your garden. Pick plants that don't require constant attention and watering, and consider a terrarium to cultivate food successfully in closed environments. Plants need specific conditions to thrive, such as low light tolerant pothos, bird's nest ferns, citrus trees. Choose plants that will thrive in your home's lighting and temperature conditions. Make sure houseplants are free of pests before bringing them back inside for winter. Choose a container with drainage holes and a drainage dish for copper plastic or glass terrariums. Take it out of the sun and give it a drink if necessary. Indoor gardening requires the proper soil for houseplants, such as orchids and cacti, which require specialized soil with bark and drainage. The effectiveness of your plant growth depends on the quality of the grow lights you use. You may cultivate a wide variety of plants indoors with the help of fluorescent garden lights. Fluorescent illumination positioned close to the top of the plants can help stimulate photosynthesis, although standard interior lights have minimal effect on this crucial plant function. Concerning plants in fluorescent lighting, while LEDs have become the standard for plant lighting, fluorescent bulbs are still readily available and simple to set up. They produce a lot of useful light that helps seedlings and starts thrive. Although they don't last as long as LEDs, fluorescent bulbs are inexpensive and simple to set up. The interior lighting needs of your crop or plant will determine whether you utilize them or LEDs. The amount of foot candles required by various plants varies. A reflector can be used to increase the amount of light a plant receives from a low output bulb. Fluorescent lighting can help drive photosynthesis. Share this video and subscribe to our channel.